Easy at Home instant drug test cups detect metabolites for commonly abused drugs. Easy at Home Cup is top-reviewed drug test brand continuously supported by 18 years of professional experience in the drug test industry. Customers choose Easy at Home because it's professional service and outstanding quality. Solid and clear results, quick and accurate, and user-friendly design. Our customers include staff agencies, small businesses, families, physicians, rehab centers, and pain clinics. They always have plenty of combinations to choose from. They are FDA 510(k) cleared for home use, CLIA waived for professional use, and same science used as lab screening tests. Our tests detect the metabolites in your urine for specific substances. Each substance has a different cutoff level concentration. Easy at Home drug test cups always include a temperature strip, making sure the sample is in the normal range of 90 to 100 degrees. Easy at Home cups have many selections. Pick the drug test cup to test for those substances you prefer. In fact, the cups have panels ranging from 5 to our most comprehensive, which is a 14 panel. The cup comes in an individual foil pouch where the expiration date is found. Testing is very simple with only 3 steps. Remove the cup from the pouch, open the cap, and urinate directly in the cup. Make sure the sample is over the minimum urine line. Recap the cup, make sure the outside of the cup is dry. Peel off the label and view results in exactly 5 minutes, as after 5 minutes, the results are invalid. The test window is found on the outside of the cup. Make sure the control line is present for each substance tested to ensure your test is working properly. The drug name identifier is found on the colored label tab. Just a control line with no visible test line is a positive. If a test line or no test line appear with no control line present, the result is invalid. If a test line is present, no matter how faint or thin with the control line, the result is negative. A solid line is ideal for a negative result. A few of our drug test cups come with adulteration testing if that is important for you. This will help you know if the sample has been diluted or tampered with in some way. Test results are invalid if adulteration is indicated. Certain prescription or over-the-counter medicines or even foods can cross-react and cause a false positive. Check our cross-reaction chart and many other additional helpful resources on healthcare-manager.com. Our customer service would be happy to assist you in choosing what options suit you best. Contact information for our customer service team can be found at healthcare-manager.com.